Hey everyone, this is Ryan from Foxtech. Today I'm going to show you how to make Instagram stories on your iPad. It's a pretty straightforward process, but there are a few key steps to ensure everything comes together smoothly. Whether you're capturing footage directly on your iPad or using some pre-recorded content, I'll guide you through each step so you can create the perfect story. Let's start with the basics. To create Instagram stories on your iPad, you'll need three main things: a video editor, your actual footage, whether that's videos, photos, or other elements, and of course, the Instagram app. The Instagram app is the most crucial part of this process because, ultimately, you'll need it to upload your story once it's ready. You have a couple of options when it comes to creating the content for your story. The first option is the simplest. Just use the iPad's camera to record whatever you want to publish directly. This is great for quick stories where you don't need much editing. You can capture the moment right there and then and go straight to uploading it through the Instagram app. If you're looking to do something a bit more polished, you might want to collect the footage you need and edit it using a video editor on your iPad before publishing. In this case, you'll need a video editing app. There are a few options out there depending on your needs and level of experience. For a free, feature-packed, and easy-to-use option, I recommend CapCut. It's a great tool for anyone looking to do basic to intermediate editing without spending any money. However, if you're aiming for something more professional, you might want to try LumaFusion or even Final Cut for the iPad. These are paid apps, but they offer a much broader range of features that can really enhance the quality of your story. Once you've edited your video to your satisfaction, you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Now that you've got your video ready, whether it's something you've just recorded or something you've edited, let's talk about the actual process of creating the story on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged in. From there, you can either tap on your profile picture at the top left or simply swipe left to start creating a new story. If you're capturing something live, go ahead and record it directly through Instagram. If you've got a finished video ready to go, you can upload it from your gallery. Once your content is in Instagram, you can add any effects, stickers, text, or other elements you like to make your story stand out. When you're happy with how it looks, just hit publish, and you're done. And that's it. You've successfully created and posted an Instagram story using your iPad. I hope this video was helpful in guiding you through the process. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.